Welcome to Mater Dei Prep. Come see our virtual open house. Hi, welcome to our first stop on our tour, our wireless Seraph. A laptop is an essential component in a student's education here at Mater Dei Prep. We have a bring your own device program and a partnership with Dell. Our students here receive an Office 365 account that accesses their email, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Our wireless Seraph is used to help educate our students and give them the technology support that they need. Hi, welcome to our second stop, our Math and Writing Lab. This is a resource room used for our teachers that has access to our desktop computers. It's also an additional flex space to get out of the classroom. Hi, welcome to our third stop, the Center for Achievement. I'm here with Mrs. Anne-Marie Marks, who runs our CFA.
Hi, the CFA is available to students of all ability levels. It's available sometimes for a period a day for some students and other times for any student who needs some extra help. It's staffed with a number of different teachers throughout the day, and we work closely with the individual student, teachers, and student services.
Hi, welcome to Student Services. The goal for the Student Service Department is to help our students recognize their full potential academically, spiritually, emotionally, and socially. Our guidance counselors are assigned to our students for their 4-year academic careers. We have one guidance counselor assigned for their freshman and junior class, and also our sophomore and senior class. Check out our flags here in Student Services of the colleges our alumni have attended. Hi, welcome to our Makerspace, home of our robotics class, where students have the opportunity to build and design robots in teams, as well as use our 3D printers to help bring their designs to life. Hi, welcome to our health science class, taught by Rutgers adjunct professor Dr. Jean Kovacs. Mater Dei Prep has a unique opportunity where our students can earn college credits through our dual enrollment program. We have partnerships with Brookdale Community College, Seton Hall University, and now Rutgers University. In addition to our dual enrollment program here at Mater Dei Prep, we offer 4 academic career preparation tracks: our health science, law and government, global leaders, and performing arts. Hi, welcome to a world language classroom. Mater Dei Prep offers Spanish, Italian, French, and Mandarin. We have a 15-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio and encourage an individualized learning approach. Here at Mater Dei Prep, we offer a hybrid block schedule, meaning Monday, Tuesday, Friday, you will have all 8-period classes. On Wednesday, you have periods 1, 3, 5, and 7, and Thursday you would have periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those block periods ranging 80 minutes long. Hi, welcome to our Performing Arts Career Preparation track. Classes offered in this track consist of chorus, musical theater, and band. Our Seraph players have been nominated for 80 Count Basie Awards, resulting in 22 individual wins. You can check our alumni out on Broadway, touring the world with their bands, or listen to their music streaming live. With the flexibility of our Seraph players, this gives the opportunity for our students to be involved in activities such as athletics and clubs. Hi, welcome to our chapel. Our religion classes and students use our chapel space as an additional place of worship. We also attend Mary Mother of God Church once a month. Welcome to the Global Leaders classroom. Our Global Leaders track uses the practice and application method, which allows students to not only learn the techniques, but actually apply them to make a difference in the world. Our students actually sit in on the UN conferences held in the city, where they help to make a change to our global issues. As we near the end of our tour, we don't want to forget about one of our students' favorite parts of their day, lunch, also known as flex. Directly behind me, you will see here some of the food items we have to offer. You can also find our menu located on our website as well. Flex is an important part of our students' day. It happens directly in the middle of the day, every day, and it's broken up in between Flex A and Flex B. During this time, students have the opportunity to get additional extra support in their classes, as well as join as many clubs as they would like. Everybody takes lunch at the exact same time in the building, so everyone's available if a student needs. Hi, welcome to our weight room, our last stop on the tour, home to our 16 varsity sports here. All of our athletic teams utilize this space to get ready for their championship season. Thanks for joining us on our virtual open house tour. I hope you liked everything you saw. Don't forget to follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you're an 8th grade student or a transfer student, you can still apply today. We're accepting applications on a rolling basis. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye!